Hello, my name is Suryansh, and today I will be going to be your maths tutor. So the topic of today's class is quadratic expressions and equations. Now you all know what is quadratic. As there is a quad in the word quadratic, it means two or squared. Basically, a variable x or any which we can take as variable, you get squared in the quadratic equation. So the standard form of quadratic equation is to be written as ax squared plus bx plus c. Now I'm going to share my whiteboard with you to show you all the standard form of quadratic equation, as well as we will be learning on how to factorize a given equation, which is quadratic. Okay. So as you can see, there are a, b, and c, the three different variables also along with the x. And the highest order or the degree, which we can see over x is 2, that proves that this expression is a quadratic. Now, the example that I'm going to take is another kind of quadratic equation, which is 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. So let me write it there. That is 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. So to factorize this quadratic, we need to look at the values of a, b, and c. Now, we need to look at the values of a, b, and c such that the product of a and c should be equal to the sum of, if we are going to split the b, and either it is going to be the sum of two numbers. So that two numbers should be the resultant of the product of A and C. Now I'm going to show you how. So if we look at the product of A and C, that is going to give us 10 times 2, which is 20. Now 20 is the number which we have to look at the B and make it such a way that we should split it, that B, in such a way that while we are breaking it into parts, it gives us a sum of 9, which is B, and also the product of A and C when we multiply those two. So remember the factors of 20. If you try to write the factors of 20, 4 and 5 will be the two factors of 20, right? So we can write 4x and 5x because when we will add it, it is going to give us the 9x, right? And the next step, we will be taking common like terms. So the like terms here we can see will be 2x because in 2x square and 4x, 2x is the part which is common or which is the factor of both of it at the same time. So after taking 2x outside, if we keep a parenthesis, we will leave a x and a 2 inside of the parenthesis. Now we'll do the same thing with a couple of other terms left out. So when we take 5 outside the bracket, there will be x again inside and 2 again. Now we have to write 2x plus 5, and since x plus 2 is getting repeated, we can write it one time. So this is the way to factorize any polynomial which is quadratic. Okay, I hope you understood this question. This will be all for today. Thank you for joining the session. Have a nice day.